Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
We are ready to go, it's about to get wicked. I take a ride for a spin, buckle up, I'm addicted. You and me any day, boy, I ain't lying. Baby, let's run away, I am on fire. And you know what you get once you get me started. I love the way we roll, I love the way we roll. I'll never let you go, I'll never let you go. I'm loving every time we roll. Live it up, we never ever get bored, just the way that we roll. Singing ayo, ayo, never stop, we gonna do what we're told, just the way that we roll. Singing ayo, ayo, we could run this city together. Wanna get to know you better. Live it up, we never ever get bored, just the way that we roll. Singing ayo, ayo. They can take what they want, but we ain't gonna listen. We forget about the world every time that we're kissing. You and me any day, boy, I ain't lying. Baby, let's run away, I am on fire. And you know what you get once you get me started. I love the way we roll, I love the way we roll. I'll never let you go, I'll never let you go. I'm loving every time we roll. No, live it up, we never ever get bored, just the way that we roll. Never stop, we gonna do what we're told, gonna do what we're told. Singing ayo, ayo, we could run this city together. Wanna get to know you better. Live it up, we never ever get bored, just the way that we roll. Singing ayo, ayo, the way we roll, the way we roll, the way. Once you get me started. Live it up, just the way that we roll. Never stop, we gonna do what we're told, gonna do what we're told. Singing ayo, ayo, we could run this city together. Wanna get to know you better. Live it up, we never ever get bored, never ever get bored. Ayo, ayo,
Alright, I have flown FPV on Emax BabyHawk R, both with 3S and 4S, and I just wanted to say to Emax, I was a fan, but now I'm a big fan of Emax Micro Brushless FPV Racing Quadcopter. I hope that you will continue to do the same fantastic work and bring out the same fantastic products just like the Emax BabyHawk R. If you are looking for really fast and furious, thrilling FPV racing adventure and experience, of course you gotta be an advanced pilot, well, don't miss Emax BabyHawk R Racing Edition. You don't want to miss it. Grab one right away while it's in stock, because otherwise you will be waiting in line. This is absolutely a fantastic quadcopter. The throttle response, the punch is absolutely mad on this one, but But in order to have that smooth flight like 3S, you gotta tweak the PIDs to suit your 4S. With the tuned PIDs from factory, it flies absolutely fantastic on 3S. Will give you plenty of speed, plenty of power, plenty of punch, and plenty of hang time. With 4S, it just hangs more in the air, give you pure madness. Man, that is madness. That speed is really way too much. That's a warp speed on 4S. So, time for me to go and charge the batteries. And boy, I do want to come back here as soon as possible to fly FPV with this one. But I will wait for my SQ12 tiny HD camera to arrive so I can at least get better quality footage using the Emax BabyHawk R. Enjoy and stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much for all your support. Hit that like button. There's no robot today to punch me.